Welcome to another Thoughts on Tech video. Today the next video on the sharpness comparison series. This time we put the GoPro Hero 7 Black against the Nikon KeyMission 170. As on the previous tests, I pointed the two cameras from the same spot at the same target and cropped the resulting images in for analysis. On today's test it seems like the Nikon takes the win. The edges seem to be sharper than the ones on the images from the GoPro that look a little more shallow.